Hello everyone, myself Vasan Kumar S, working as an assistant professor at Mysore Royal Institute of Technology. In this session, I have chosen a topic called Practical Harmonic Analysis, which is a last topic of module called Fourier Series. So, before taking this problem, I want to give some hints on solving of harmonic analysis. They will provide the problem with a set of data for you. So in that data there will be an interval. So that interval will be of period 2 pi or arbitrary constant period 2l. So period 2 pi means it will be of the interval 0 to 2 pi, right? So 0 to 2 pi means it is of radian mode. If the given problem is in radian mode, so you should change that problem to 0 degree mode. You should change to 0 degree to 360 degree. So in the set of data, if the given both the interval called 0 and 360 degree, both initial value 0 and the end value end interval called 360 degree, kindly omit either of the one of the value. You should omit either of the one of the values in the set of data and then go for solving practical harmonic analysis. The rule same follows for arbitrary constant period 2l. Means if the given interval, if the given set of data contains both end intervals 0 and 2l, then kindly eliminate either 0 or 2l. Eliminate 0 or 2l and solve the problem. Okay. So, and after coming to know that the period 2 pi, whether it is period 2 pi or 2l, apply the applicable formula for period 2 pi and 2l and solve the problem. While solving the problem, you should know the given set of data contains, after eliminating also the value called 360 or 0, how many values it contains. That gives the number of values called n. It gives n. And then find the constants called A0. You are going to find the constants called A0, A1, A2 if it is second harmonic, similarly B1, B2, etc. So the problem can be asked in a number of ways. Here in this question they have asked first two harmonics. There is a chance of asking only first harmonic, or they can ask only cosine terms, or they can ask only to find sine terms. So you should know how to solve that and how to execute the solution for it. Okay, how to solve that and how to execute the solution for it. Main agenda of this topic, I am giving some shortcuts to solve this problem. I am using calculator to give a shortcut for this problem. Okay, let us see how to solve this problem. So I have considered the problem. Compute the first two harmonics of the Fourier series of f of x in the given table. Just the given table in terms of degree. X is given in terms of degree. 0 degree, 60 degree, 120 degree, 180 degree, 240 degree, 300 degree. So therefore, if I start with the solution, the given interval of the problem is starting with 0. So look at the difference of each interval. 0 to 60, difference is 60. 60 to 120 is again difference is 60. So similarly, the difference between 120 and 180 is 60. So finally, you are going to get 300 plus 60 means 360. Therefore, the given problem of the interval is 0 to 360, which is a period of 2 pi. So here you can raise a question that why we are not considered 360 here. So the value of 0 and 360 will be the same. So if in the given question, if they provide 360, the value will be also 7.9, then you should neglect that value. You should neglect that value and solve the problem. So after coming to know that it is period 2 pi, you should find out the value, the number of values given here. The number of given values is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of values given is 6 here. So therefore, what to find out? We require to find f of x. The harmonic analysis of Fourier series f of x is given by a naught by 2 plus summation, or as they have asked, two harmonics here, a1 cos x plus b1 sin x plus a2 cos 2x plus b2 sin 2x. So name this as equation star. So now what is A? You require to find out A0, A1, B1, A2, B2. You require to find the values of A0, A1, B1, A2, B2. How you can find out the values? And also I want to tell one thing here. In the question, as they have mentioned first two harmonics, this is the formula for that. In case if they ask only write the first harmonic, means this gives first harmonic. This gives first harmonic. For first harmonics, the formula is what? A0 by 2 plus A1 cos x plus B1 sin x. Okay. So this is first harmonics. Now the formula of A0 is 2 by n sigma y. 2 by n sigma y. A1 is given by 2 by n sigma y cos x. A2 is given by 2 by n sigma y cos 2x. Similarly, B1 is given by 2 by n sigma y sin x. Finally, B2 is given by 2 by n sigma y sin 2x. This is the formula to find A0, A1, A2, B1, B2. Okay. Now, how to find these values? We should construct a table for that. Let us see how to construct the table. Yeah. In the table, consider the given values x, y. So x is given as what? 0, 60, 120, 180, 240, 300, 360. Similarly, the y value is given by 7.9, 7.2, 3.6, 0.5, 0.9, 6.8, and the value 360 is not given, so we are not going to write down that value, so we can omit that value. If they give also, you should omit that value. So now find the required value. In the required value A1, we required y cos x. We were required to find out y sin x for B1, y cos 2x to get the value of A2. Next, y sin 2x. So now I can calculate all these values easily by using a calculator. So we shall solve by using calculator. We can find all the values of y cos x and y sin x, y cos 2x and y sin 2x. Let us see how to solve by using a calculator.
Now we shall calculate the values by using calculator called FX991ES. So first on the calculator and go through that. It is in degree mode and math mode, and go for fix for 5 decimal place. First fix for 5 decimal place. So go with shift mode. You're going to get fix here. See, fix the value called 6 here. Press 6. Then fix the decimal place for 5 decimal place. Press 5. It will be, now the decimal has been fixed for 5 decimal place. Fix. So now start with the calculation part to find. Now to find the set of values of y cos x, y sin x, y cos 2x, y sin 2x simultaneously. See how I am going to type in your calculator. Press alpha. Alpha means alphabet. Y cos x, cos alpha x, alpha x. Close the bracket. As I am taking the simultaneous values of y cos x, y sin x, y cos 2x, y sin 2x, y cos so on. So to get all the simultaneous values, we will go with pressing alpha colon to get the separate values of y cos x and y sin x, so on. So next we can type y alpha y sin x. Again alpha colon, type y cos 2x, alpha y cos x, cos 2x, 2 alpha x colon y sin 2 x. So after pressing all these values, now we can calculate simultaneously all the values. So by just pressing calc here, press calc, give the value of y. The first value of y in the given table is 7.9. Press 7.9, press equal to, then give the value of x. Corresponding value of x is 0 degree. So 0. You will get in terms of fraction. Press SD. You are going to get in terms of decimal place. It is fixed for 5 decimal. You can as it is 7.9 recurring as 00. You can write that as 7.9. Next, press equal to. You will get y sin x value, that is 0. Press equal to. You are going to get y cos 2x. Again it is in fraction mode. Press SD. You are going to get decimal. Write down that value. Then again press equal to. You are going to get y sin 2x. So next you got first row now. You got the first row value. You note down that values. Then now we shall go for second row value. Give y value as 7.2. Give y value as 7.2 and x value as 60. X value is 60. So you are going to get y cos x. Y cos x is 3.6. Y cos x is what? 3.6. Next, y sin x is what? 6.23538. 6.23538. Y cos 2x is minus 3.6. Minus 3.6. Next, plus again you are going to get y sin 2x. That is second row. Simultaneously solve the third row, fourth row, fifth row. I will go for the last row. That is what? By giving the value of y as 6.8, y as 6.8, y equal to 6.8 and x equal to 300, x equal to 300, x equal to 300. You are going to get the last row, that is 3.4 and y cos x is 3.4, y sin x is in terms of decimal minus 5.88897. Next, y cos 2x is minus 3.4, y sin 2x is minus 5.88897. Note down all the values of for the given data. Now after calculating the values of y cos x, y sin x, y cos 2x and y sin 2x,
I have substituted all the values here by using calculator. I have evaluated the values and I have substituted. Now I require to find summation of these, all the summation of this. I require to find sigma y cos x, sigma y cos x, sigma y cos 2a sin x, sigma y sin x, sigma y cos 2x, sigma y sin 2x. So again, by using calculator, add all the values here. So you are going to get sigma y along column. You add all the values to get sigma y cos x, sigma y sin x, sigma y cos 2x, sigma y sin 2x. So
To get that value, to find the values of A0, A1, B1, A2, B2. Then substitute those values in equation star. You are going to get the required solution. This is the shortcut to find the harmonic analysis.
yeah, this is the values I have got for summation y cos x, summation y sin x, summation y cos 2x, summation sin y sin 2x. This is the values I have got. Now I can find out A0, A1, B1, A2, B2. So as I told you that the formula is what? For A0 is given by 2 by n. What is the value of n here? 2 by n is what? 6. 2 by 6 into sigma y. Sigma y value is what? 26.9. 26.9. Calculate this. You are going to get the value of A0. A1 equal to 2 by 6. A1 equal to 2 by 6 times of sigma y cos x. Sigma y cos x is 12.15. So which is equal to, calculate this value. We're going to get 4.05. Next, B1. I want to find the value of B1. It is 2 by 6 summation of y sin x. It is 2.68 468. So which is equal to, calculate this value. We are going to get 0.89489. Now I want to find out finally B2, A2 and B2. A2 is given by again 2 by 6 times of summation y cos 2x. It is minus 0.85. Simplify this and you are going to get A2 value. Minus 0.28333. So get to find out B2 value. So the B2 value is what? B2 equal to 2 by 6 times of summation of y sin 2x. Summation of y sin 2x minus 1.99186. So which is equal to just minus 66395. So now after getting all these values, we can substitute these values in equation star. That gives the Fourier harmonic analysis of Fourier series of the given data. So and another thing I want to tell here is if the given values of x is in terms of radian, if the given problem is in terms of radian like 0, 0, pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, pi, so on like this if they give, and finally it will be 2 pi as if it is 360 degree. So I want to stress here that you should convert this radian mode to degree mode and solve this problem. Radian mode to degree mode, and you should verify that whether the calculator is in degree mode or in radian mode. Always the calculator should be in degree mode. Okay, this is the way to solve construct the table. Now we shall substitute all the values of constant values called A0, A1, B1 and A2, B2 in equation star. So finally we are going to get the Fourier series of harmonic analysis. Substituting the values of A0, A1. So therefore f of x is here it is given, we required A0 by 2. So we have find out A0. Divide this value A0 by what you are going to get? We are going to get 4.48334 plus A1 is 4.05 cos x plus B1 is 0.89489 sin x plus B2, A2 is negative, we have plus into minus, it is minus 0.28333 sin cos 2x plus into minus, plus into minus, it is minus again, minus 0.66395 sin 2x is the required first two harmonics for the Fourier series of the given function. Okay, for the given data. This is the required for first two harmonic analysis of the Fourier series for the given set of data. So if they ask to find the only first harmonic, then the answer is only this part. So you can write the first harmonics as 4.48334 plus 4.05 cos x plus 4.8949489 sin x. You are required to find out just A0 by 2, A1, B1 for first harmonics. So this is the way of solving the problem for period 2 pi.